morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. And I'm going to take a bow right now for that insane call in gold. I mean, come on, was that not out of control? Go, Omni, go. Gold nails all three Omni targets, then capitulates. I gave you video after video. Target 1, boom, it got hit. Target 2, boom, it got hit. Target 3 gets hit, which looks ridiculous when I first give it out. And right after it got hit, I put out a video last night and said, that's it. Gold has capitulated as far as I'm concerned. And has it not capitulated? What an insane grouping of calls. I'd like to take a bow for today's day trade in the OMNI S&P, but I can't because it cost us 8 points or somewhere around there, so we didn't win on that. But gold, what a great set of analysis. Traders, you know this is a risky game. Never forget to put your stops in. Put them in first. Never, ever trade without them. This is for video. Well, this is video number 2678, coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday, December 5th, 2023. Number 1 on the board, oh my God, was that not insane? Capitulation in gold. Now you got to be careful for a little while. Let it do what it needs to do, and we'll come up with another target if necessary. OMNI, S&P, and NASDAQ, the street is screaming double top. If you look at the SPY and the NDX, they're going crazy over it. Now, the OMNI, S&P, and the NASDAQ, the ones that we trade, the December, they don't look like double tops, but the street is screaming on the SPX or SPY, whichever one you follow, and the NASDAQ. And I'll tell you right now, if the street's screaming it, it's going to have at least one down day. So we are going to take a short if we get a decent rally to sell into. Respecting the street screaming about the double top in OMNI, S&P, and NASDAQ, I'll show you some good charts to prove why we probably should listen, at least for a day or two. Number 3 on the board is soybeans and the US dollar. And soybeans wants to go lower. The dollar is going higher, helping beans go lower. And I hope we get a good fill tonight. We missed it by this much last night. We hope to get in soybeans at some point on a rally, get short, and ride the elevator down. Thank you to US dollar. And I'll show you charts on that. So we have gold charts. We have charts at S&P, NASDAQ. We have soybeans and maybe dollar charts. We'll see if I included that. Traders, subscribe to these videos. Subscribe right now. Stop what you're doing. It's right under the video. Subscribe. Alert yourselves to make sure that you know when each one of these videos come out, because calls like we gave you in gold, I know dozens and dozens of traders that made a small fortune in the last few weeks off these gold calls. If you're paying attention, so could you. Make sure that you are paying attention. Subscribe to these videos. Now, if you really want to learn how to get this right, if you would like to come out and see me live in Las Vegas for 5 days of training to learn the OMNI, and the OMNI is simply Oscar's market navigational indicator. It has been working since the 80s. There are people all over the world that count on it, and I will teach it to you at OmniCamp. That is Jan 25th through the 28th. There is one open seat. I am taking applications. I take many applications. You have a good shot of getting called back by me. Go to OmniBootCamp.com. Fill out your OmniCamp applications if you want to join me in Las Vegas for the weekend of Jan 25th through the 28th. Make sure you call me, 702-629-4755. Go to Omni Bootcamp once again. Fill out your application there. Time is ticking. Jan 25th is not too far away. Make sure you call me. All right, traders, so now I want to show you some great charts. If you don't mind, humor me for just a moment. Take a look at this quick clip, and then we'll go look at some charts.
Are you drowning in data? Tied in trading knots? Baffled by the bulls and the bears of the market? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. The world of trading can be overwhelming, but there's a path to clarity. Introducing OmniCamp. We believe in empowering traders like you with the skills and confidence to navigate the markets. Join Oscar Carboni for 4 transformative days. It's not just about techniques, it's about building a trading mindset that lasts. With 42 years of Wall Street experience, Oscar has designed OmniCamp to cut through the noise and give you the tools to trade with confidence. Don't let the markets control you. Take control of your future today. Limited seats are available. Apply now at omnibootcamp.com and let us guide you to trading success.
All right, traders, so we're going to go look at some charts. But remember, before we look at these charts, what's our motto? You know it, right? Say it with me. Come on, you guys know what this is by now. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Now let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, the gold chart. If you recall, I've been showing this chart to you for quite some time. When we got down here, the Omni became bullish, and oddly enough, a war breaks out the very next day. We give out 3 targets. We were trading at about 18.45. We gave out a target for 19.45, and what do you know? It runs up $100 and hits it. We give out a secondary target of 2009. It runs right to 2009 exactly and drops. Down here, I penned the 3rd target all the way up here. And what happens? Races all the way up, hits that target Sunday night. And on Sunday night, I come out with a video last night, right after we hit the target. And I said, gold has capitulated. Be careful. Now you got to get out. And it absolutely capitulated. Look what happened by the end of trading on Monday. That is a capitulation style bar. And I was absolutely correct when I came out with that video. I hope I saved you guys last night. I hope I saved a lot of traders and forced you to take your profits in gold because that was your moment. But how about that for technical analysis, huh? What a great set of calls. What's next? The street is screaming very loudly that this is a double top in the SPY. And it is, right? So, if you look at the Dow blew past what could have been a double top. Why would the S&P stop there? But the street's calling it. It had a down day already today, being Monday. And look at this. NASDAQ's got the same issue. The street is calling this a double top. This is in March, NASDAQ March. Well, we're trading right now December. In about 5 days, we'll be trading March. This is the March contract. Double top, it's already had a reaction, and I think it's going to make S&P have its reaction on Tuesday. So maybe that's what's going on. Overall, bigger picture, you got bonds going up, which means interest rates are going down. You have crude going down, which means it's a stimulus for everyone in the world. We will end up higher with the stock market, but maybe we'll spend a couple of days going lower first. At least on Tuesday, we're going to be selling rallies. Then you've got soybeans. Look at this bad boy down below the 200-bar moving average. When it's below, it has an issue. When it's above, it has fun, right? So it's going to have an issue. We should get at least one more day out of it on Tuesday. And because the dollar is trying so hard to go up and at the same time held the 200-bar moving average and is wanting to go up and looks like it wants to go up again on Tuesday, that should help force the soybeans to go down. Traders, I hope this helps. Make sure you're paying attention to the charts. Make sure you subscribe to these videos and come join me at livewithoscar.com.